So onto the hair. Today I'm going to be rocking a wig I just got from RPGSHOW. It's a lace front wig and I washed it and blow dried it, and this is just how it looks with no product. It comes straight. And I'm going to be wearing a top knot style, so I already sectioned off the hair in the wig for that. And then to prep for the wig, as you can see, I already laid down my edges. I always like to do that first. And I just left out this small section right here, which is gonna go up into the bun. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. First, I'm using a stocking cap so everything stays flat and secure. Then I'm going to apply the wig, and when I'm doing this, I'm making sure to line up the parts in the wig with the parts in my hair. For the middle section, I'm going to smooth that all up into a sleek ponytail. So I'm taking a little gel to smooth down my real hair, and then I'm going to brush all of that up and into a ponytail. Dividing the hair into two pieces, making a chunky twist. And then I'm going to twist that around itself to make the bun. Then of course I'm going to take some bobby pins and pin that in place. And then to help blend the wig a little better, because right here you can see it doesn't look that realistic, I'm taking a small brush and applying some foundation on the parting. Then I'm just going to take my finger and blot that out. To even out the density and make the part look more uniform, I'm going in with a black eyeliner and filling in any gaps. I did that for both sides, and now I'm going to jazz up my edges a little bit and just brush them down and get a little swirl action going. And then once all that's taken care of, the last thing I'm going to do is curl the bottom with my curling wand. For this, I'm just taking some medium-sized sections of hair and curling that going towards my face. And this is the finished look, guys. It's kind of like a little va-va-boom action going on. I haven't done color in quite a long time. I really can't remember the last time I wore like a really fun color in my hair. So this is like a nice little change up. I'm just all into this blue right now. I love, love, love the color. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I will link all of the information on this wig down below, as well as all of the makeup stuff that I use. I'll have all of that information underneath the video. So thanks for watching as always, and I'll see everybody on the next video. Bye.